In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an audience in Mailchimp. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged in to your Mailchimp account and that you really do want to remove this audience. Deleting an audience is permanent, which means all of the contacts and data inside that audience will be removed and can't be recovered. If you think you might need that data later, it's a good idea to export or back it up first. Once you're ready, start on your main Mailchimp dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the audience icon in the sidebar. Go ahead and click that icon. This will take you into the audience area where you can see and manage the different audiences in your account. From there, you'll be taken to your audience dashboard. This is the central place where Mailchimp shows details about your current audience, such as contact counts and basic stats. At the top right corner of this screen, look for a drop-down menu labeled Manage Audience. Click on that drop-down to reveal more options. In the list that appears, choose the option that says View Audiences. This will switch the view from the details of a single audience to a list of all the audiences that exist in your account. Take a moment here to carefully identify the audience you want to delete. It's important to double-check the name so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. Next, look for the small checkbox that appears next to the name of the audience you'd like to delete. Click that checkbox to select it. Once the audience is selected, you'll see options to perform actions on that audience. Among those options, choose Delete. At this point, Mailchimp will show you a warning message to make sure you understand what's about to happen. To confirm that you really want to remove this audience forever, you'll be asked to type the phrase "permanently delete" into the confirmation field. Type it exactly as shown, paying attention to the spacing and capitalization. After you've typed the phrase correctly, click the Confirm button. Mailchimp will then process your request and delete the selected audience from your account. Once it's gone, you won't be able to restore it, so it's worth pausing for a second before you confirm if you're unsure. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an audience in Mailchimp using the built-in audience management tools.